If you are wondering what is the recommended charger for Motorola Moto G87, then the answer is very simple. The most optimal choice for this phone is going to be a Motorola power adapter with 30 watts. And the reason why I'm saying 30 watts is very simple. It is because the phone can charge its battery using 30 watts at most. So if you plan on, for example, upgrading a power adapter which already has 30 watts or more, then it's probably pointless because it won't increase the charging speed. So 30 watts is the most that you can use on this phone, but of course you can use power adapters that are stronger than that have, for example, 50 watts or 75 watts or 100 watts. It is still going to work. You can still charge, of course, the phone with such a power adapter, but it won't make any difference if we compare it to a power adapter that has exactly 30 watts. Now, besides, of course, getting a Motorola's power adapter, you can also get power adapters made by other manufacturers. But, of course, still the Motorola's original power adapter is still the recommended one. But if you don't want to purchase a power adapter made by Motorola for some reason, then you can get pretty much anything else. I would stick with well-known brands at least. So, for example, Samsung, Google, OnePlus, Oppo, Xiaomi, and so on and so forth. The list goes on and on. And I would avoid using knockoffs and just brands that are not so popular. And while purchasing a power adapter, you can try to look for a power adapter with USB-C port, because we have the original cable that we have with the phone is USB-C as well. It has USB-C on both ends, so ideally you want to use such a power adapter. But if you happen to get a power adapter with USB-A port, and you do have a USB-A to USB-C cable, then of course it works too. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.